life, you get all the dub play to Silver play. And if you no go so in near, go so. But Silver, you sleep and mad that you never see like a sound boy yet. Many are called and chosen after you never see who a sound boy and chop him in two. When I ball for no mother or no father. If you no mother or no father, no daddy or no ball for no boyfriend. Step out of the dance and look a fool, baby, and come deal with a boy kiss.
Yeah, man.
I play it for them, me play it for you, watch out.
Pick up yourself, man, man. You are going to know. A big thing that look a sound boy, no steady. I talk about them and them a bad son. I would have stabbed them a mother bad. Yeah, man. Bow them and did I keep sound and get my
What is this? If you can't play it for special, leave it for me.
The back of the most star. And old time people have a saying for say. If you no go so, it near go so. We have a sound boy out that spend all their life to get all the dub play to Silver play. Yeah. And if you no go so, it near go so. But Silver, you sleep and mad that you never see a light a sound boy yet. Many are called and chosen after you never see a whole a sound boy and chop him in two. When I ball for no mother or no father. If you no mother or no father, no daddy or no ball for no boyfriend. Step out of the dance and look a fool, baby, and come deal with a boy kiss.
Yeah, man, original Silver for them case again, man. Pick up yourself, man, man. You are going to know. Things that look a sound boy, no steady. I talk about them and them a bad son. I would have stabbed them a mother bad. Yeah, man. Bow them and did I kill sound and get wanted. When them span see them and them curving. Hey! And did I kill sound and get wanted. When them span see them and them judging mama. Big selector cry. And teardrops and water come out time. Hey! Mama.
Hey, you're lucky about.
Come a Silver heart of here the same time. Him all a shit. Hey! Try the case and give them license. You should have told them God and really try the case and them hear them and go and bow them and did that kill sound and get wanted. Them fancy them and them cursing. Super! And did that kill sound and get wanted. Them fancy them and dance all this you want you. Before certain things go on, the Africa can have file and a mash here to go from. No one that bow you want this thing. I love you walking like you a dumb plate kid. Don't you every day no stop program wicked. With him up on the finger spin like I get the last count of your thing. And then please drop it and steal around him up and rip him.
No, that's right.
I'm from him arc him about like a lip. Come check me regular. And me toothpaste this soap and I left me dinner. Mama, come check me regular. Me pants and me shirt and me.
No, Mike Dread.
Mama,
Original cassette man.
check me regular.
No, too much tune for play, yeah, man. No, you know one thing I like for ask a promoter. You know what I like for ask a promoter, so no. I want to listen when we play tune and all. Watch this.
With them tag and you slang and sing. I just want to go and John Silver and stick with the years and what Silver dial and keep in tune. Got the music nice, you put up your not here and say, Boo! Boo! Come down with man.
Hear me ask the promoter, so no. Listen.
Respect to all fat y'all, and all cook on y'all sing. And that man must sing.
Hear me ask the promoter, say.
I want to bring Silver up with you, kill them. All and so.
Hold on! That's where I want to get out. I'm going to say the one, Mr. Tiger.
Oh. I want to listen to Silver with them tag and you slang and sing. I just want to go and John Silver and stick with the years and what Silver dial and keep in tune. Got the music nice, you put up your not here and say, Boo! Come down with me, man. Respect to all fat y'all, and all cook on y'all, sing. And that man must sing. I want to bring Silver up with you, kill them. All and sound boy.
Sound clash, babes.
Gemini come here, go kill them. Exodus come here, go kill them. Stool Love come here, go kill them. Metro Media come here, go kill them. And if Badgard come, we kill them. Gilbert Son come, we kill them. See, come again. All them sound boy, them have a king. We have the dub plate, fear them. Gunshot out, hey, kill them. See, come again. They come from east, you go kill them. They come from west, you go kill them. North and south, you go kill them. See, come again. Y'all me say when you body, come again. Move up your body, hey, come again. Silver axe, so it's a play, come again. See, come again. Them bring one sound from New York, wait. They never know how to kill them.
Hold on. you notice that tune you're playing, your name don't even call, you don't even recognize. Now as we enter, voice on courtesy of the one, reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. See, this is voice on courtesy of the one, Mr. Anthony, let's reaching out to all road boy them. The one road boy them catch this. The article tune just for you and you, hear this.
Yo, this is Anthony Response Silverhawk sound, #1 sound in the land, every time. Listen up, when music hits you feel no pain. Silverhawk, how I love you. Gave all I had.
Mama, hey, me selector. As we enter our voice on courtesy of the one Mr. Anthony, let's reaching out to you and you and God knows who. Now as we enter outside the voice of one Mr. Alton, reaching out to you, all the article road boy, and we'll play article tune for you. See it? Now as we enter, catch this.
Yo, this is Anthony Response Silverhawk sound, #1 sound in the land, every time. Listen up, when music hits you feel no pain. Silverhawk, how I love you.
Hey!
Gave all I had.
Right.
They tried to kill you. Now I'm so mad. But now it is the time to kill a song. That's how I feel in my heart. I've got to say, oh, how they suffered. Oh, how they tried. Gave up their pride to lose by my side. And whosoever tried, let him die, 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 let him.
I'm tuning on the radio, man, and lock it off, man. Now as we enter, seeing, it's that tune I'm going to play. Seeing, to get a special like this, you'd have to sell your sound and sell the whole like dubplate them we have. So for play a special like this, you wouldn't have no sound. So catch this. As we enter, reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. This is the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Delroy Wilson, reaching out to all the road boy them in that place. Seeing, article tune just for you and God knows who. Now catch this.
A Delroy Wilson this, on the champion sound. Bad sound, Silverhawk. Here's to each and every one, all the posse. Big up Argos Town, and big up Argos.
This is Scare.
Silverhawk are the best sound.
Now.
A killing mood. A killing mood.
Road youths.
A killing mood. When you feel the beat, you got to move your feet. You got to shout Silverhawk.
Yeah. Hey.
Your sound got cold. Silverhawk on the control. You're gonna die.
Super.
A killing mood. A killing mood.
Listen to classic tune as it plays.
A killing mood.
Now.
A killing.
Now cannot.
Son boy, you die.
Outside. This is classical.
Hey, dibby sound, I'm gonna kill you now. Pack up your old jumper.
This is classical music just for you, for all the article road boy them in that place. Now when I play a special, you know, boy, would even talk about that one, cause you could have to sell all the gas station where you pass through.
Some boy, we don't come here to blow balloon or suck sweetie. Neither come here to make sandwich now. Funny. Come up.
This is culture.
What a li bam bam ba eh. When the
Now as we enter, once again our courtesy of the
hey,
culture.
some boy, we don't come here to blow balloon or suck sweetie.
Yeah.
Neither come here to make sandwich nor eat baloney. Come up.
Super.
What a li bam bam ba eh. When the ark attack. What a li bam bam ba eh. It bring a heart attack.
For real.
Tell you now.
What a li bam bam ba eh. When the ark attack. What a li bam bam ba eh. It bring a heart attack.
Sound boy.
Ark and a sound boy. Fuck up in a station. And when them start this
Sound clash this.
I pick out a dub and he lick him any shin bone. And the whole sound boy started to run.
Yes, I know.
Why? What a the bam bam ba eh? When the ark attack.
Why too much tune for play with us, I cut them short. Now Mr. Bunny Wheeler, why you come in because you know it's a long time in a touch on the ark, so watch out. As we went to us voice on courtesy the one Mr. Bunny Wheeler.
This is exclusively yours, Bunny Wheeler. This one is not for sale. Only one sound in the universe can play this one. Silver Hawk, Bite. A Silver Hawk and the
As we went to us the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Bunny Wheeler. Reaching out to you and your God.
This is exclusively yours, Bunny Wheeler. This one is not for sale. Only one sound in the universe can play this one. Silver Hawk, Bite. A Silver Hawk and the Random song. A Silver Hawk and the Ruby Gagan all. Galang, 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 galang. A Silver Hawk and the Random song. Billy boy. A Silver Hawk and the Ruby Gagan all. Silver Hawk been ruling dancehall ever since you were a child. So don't come trying to dictate to I about dancehall style. East, west, north and south, it is I you rule the land. I play original style while others play for fun. I wounded many a sound, called King Kong son of a gun. Many more did come, and many more had to run. So while I advise you, try not to give them away. You'll be defeated cause you'll never play what I play. A Silver Hawk and the Ram dancehall.
Now we said tonight, more play at least half a silver dub box. Some of us are cut them short. Now forget them specially if you have X amount of dollars and contacts, cause this is a 3 the roughest way you can ever get it. Freddie McGregor tune it up half pint. Be a big artist, listen.
Coming from half pint. Freddie McGregor, come up and say it to them now.
Well, this is 3 the hard I know say Freddie McGregor loves Silver Hawk for years. Come to it. Well, massive, you don't know say Silver Hawk rule here, man. Champion Silver Hawk, you're up.
Hey!
Champion Silver Hawk, no sound can test.
While I cut them short, yeah, take the forward there, watch this.
Champion Silver Hawk, no sound can test.
No bumping, no boring, no riffing, no rapping. Silver Hawk keep you all night young. Moonlight and starlight, we have a good luck chance. Freddie McGregor give them more lingua. More lingua, more lingua. Silver Hawk. Whoa, whoa. Gonna kill a sound if it takes all night. You better dig it, better dig it, better dig it. Silver Hawk. Whoa, whoa. Gonna kill a sound if it takes all night. When you dig it, when you dig it. Everywhere you play, the people say you are the best. You're up and the rain.
Now Mikey Trent, big up.
Downtown, all over Jamaica. Walk with every contest.
Now tune it up, listen.
Silver Hawk is a hard sound today. What a hard sound today. You pick him up, you lick him down, he bounce right back. What a hard sound today. Silver Hawk, rough sound in town. Silver Hawk, the roughest sound in town. You pick him up, you lick him down, he bounce right back.
So the voice, so the one all courtesy, and the one 3 the roughest way. Now Mr. Leroy Smart, and why you come grill up something for we. Now the last time when Kenan play up a film turf, you know, he play some alligator man and some cockroach man and all them things upon special. I would never hear the part of 45 yet. But anyway, Mr. Leroy Smart come in. And this, one more before we check out the Kenan. See? One more before we check out the Kenan.
This is I Leroy Smart, your original. And all some boy will go on like them rough. But this is Silver Hawk.
This is classical, listen.
A sound boy, listen up, hey. And Attitude, boy. But I say, because you get up every day and you chuck it with your dub. So one day, your dub it a got done. Going around making disturbance, going around giving silver that name. Hey, sound boy, but miss no pain.
Now,
attitude, boy. What I say,
I say want two more culture.
from the prison to the mount to the cemetery. That's how I know bad boys end up, you see. Going around making disturbance, going around giving silver that name, that giving silver.
Out to the voice on courtesy of the one, Mr. No other, Leroy Smart. Now, as we enter on courtesy of the one, Mr. John Holt, and this is the last show.
So steal the comp.
Tonight is the night when Silverhawk is gonna bury a sound guy. We never want to go bury a camp, but tonight is the night.
Hear this!
Sound boy, this is Silverhawk's too.
Hey!
Let us speak to the golden rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself.
Right.
Because tonight you know it's going to be dread. I know you're gonna live and cemetery. You never want to go and live and cemetery. You should take my advice. And don't turn up at the cash tonight. Now Silverhawk can murder you. Now Silverhawk can kill you. Now Silverhawk can murder you. Now Silverhawk can kill you, sound boy. Back up the different sound boy.
Wow, so the voice of Mr. John Holt. Now, Kenan come in.
Remember, sound boy, you know, sister, you out short a plate. Why not bring a little dub plate them in the kitchen and make the people them serve the tin mackerel and the old chicken back on it going? What are you talking about? About to know have Canon? We stop watch Canon on TV long time.
For real. Hola. We stop watch Canon on TV long time. For real. Now! As we enter, reaching out to all the current crew and bounty all the article road boy them in that place. Big up now. Guys,
Well, sound boy, tonight there is no peace in these. Agony and pressure and fire under your feet, boy, your original front gold teeth. You see now on the front teeth, pussy we eat, I must say underneath Burger King you treat. Kill the pussy Silverhawk and get it rate, because the pussy that's a cyanide and shot nine leads. You know say Silverhawk sound and do it. You know so we kill all of the pussy in Jamaica and kill them complete. Watch me now stealing, a boy can't do it. If I got you the one, fuck with the yak and make we kill sound again.
come again! Hold on. Hold on, we don't want the man to beat the thing, see? See, we don't want the man to beat the thing. The West we enter one voice.
Well, sound boy, tonight there is no peace in these. Agony and pressure and fire under your feet, boy, your original front teeth, gold teeth, you see now on the front teeth, pussy we eat, I must say underneath Burger King you treat. Kill the pussy Silverhawk and get it rate, because the pussy that's a cyanide and shot nine leads. You know say Silverhawk sound and do it. You know so we kill all of the pussy in Jamaica and kill them complete. Watch me now stealing, a boy can't do it.
Sound clash,
If I got you the one, fuck with the yak and make it kill sound again. I got you the one.
Hey,
fuck
hey,
with
hey.
We are going them again.
Yeah. Hey.
No pussy test, I miss a no pussy. Let me know. No pussy test, I miss a no pussy test. Riding a east and we come from west. And every pussy get them skin distress. Silverhawk say him know about the west.
Hey.
Every man a carry a gun and a bulletproof vest.
Hey.
Just the fastest dub, the one and leather them a test.
Yeah.
We stop a gunshot straight in our chest. Cause we wearing the bulletproof vest. Superstar of the midnight guest. Silver star, same dep on the press. No other pussy hole coulda never. And if I got you no one, fuck with the hack, you make we pick on now again.
For real. Now a while ago, Mayor's Lenky said, boy, can I not go on film and nothing not go on film. Well, me remember, you go back to Trevor and tell him, say you want to play back Roadstar again, but sorry. The man said, boy, your teeth him dub, so you can't play Roadstar again. Now tell the people that want to go on. Now culture.
You ever see when them one will have them one black fowl like a country? With two little chicken and when a hawker come, you want to see church with all
to the culture.
Hack! But the hawk nah leave it, the hawk must carry it. When it's like this hawk here, you talk about this hawk, the only hawk with the one black spot. You understand the black square and rubber dub plate. Let me hear this. Silver Hawk don't stop. Busting and killing off.
My selector.
Hey!
Out to the voice of culture, watch this. Yeah, that boy man that sing like culture. Listen culture.
With two little chicken and when a hawk a come. You want to see church with a bit and the band of the man. Hawk! 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 But the hawk now leave it, the hawk must carry it. When it's like
now
this
Rick and Sprocket and all go, watch out.
This hawk the only hawk with the one black spot. You understand the black spot and rubber dub plate.
Now.
Silver Hawk don't stop. Busting and killing off a sound boy. Don't stop. Fighting and killing off a sound boy. It's not a shame. So what? For Daddy Hawk to slaughter a boy in the street.
Now.
And let his blood keep running down the dance. And the people are rocking to Silver Hawk sound.
Anyway,
Hey.
Lenky.
Hey!
Trevor say must bring
Hey.
back the plate where tea from Roadstar here. So make sure you bring them back. Then once we enter, Uncle the Shed one makes a mix, switching out to all the crew, love the tune to the max. Watch this.
Silver sound. Let you dance your ass off.
Back till the morning.
Now.
I mean, Mickey.
Yeah, man, you know some boy want to take food out of some boy mouth. But you can't take food out of Silver Hawk mouth. And food I'm gonna pull him out.
Alpha Silver Max tonight, watch out.
Oh, Father, what in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
Again, man. From the top. As we enter, catch this. As we enter, Uncle the Show, the boys, Mr. John.
My son, have you any last request? No, sir.
Oh, Father, what in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Amen.
Now pick us a lot of big up.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming down.
Now Ricky, big up.
Come young way. When I walk 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 come young way. Take this. The hanging tree. We will take it to the hanging tree. The hanging tree. We will take it to the hanging tree. Any joke sound and strive it is so weak. Match them up and chop them up and put them down the sea. It's the hanging tree. Save a hawk of a hanging tree. The hanging tree. We will take it to the hanging tree.
Now Ricky out of mobile reserve.
Any joke sound come strive it test. You don't want to test. You don't want to test. You don't want to test. It's the hanging tree. We will take it to the hanging tree.
Let's rock it, don't worry.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond the hawk is coming
Now
down.
Marcia.
Beyond the hawk is coming down. Beyond we come for the whole one town. Hanging tree, we will take you to the hanging tree.
Out to that all courtesy. All one, Mr. Heineken Moses as we enter. Now, on the big up yourself.
Boy, you know say we have baby face. We kill people too, you know. You know say we gonna like you know say Silver Hawk come back this
Hey!
thing.
Hey! Hey!
Come up and come out, come.
Now G got the driver, big up.
Right now, right now. We love the Silver Hawk. The next sound can pop, sound can pop, sound can pop this year. Silver Hawk step out of this year.
Right.
Don't you like it?
Hey.
A sound boy feel it. Silver Hawk step out of this year. I saw the Hawk step out of this year. Hey, hey, hey! Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Down this, hey, Hawk no miss, hey, and the sound boy miss. Hawk will live it. Do you like it? Do you like it? Respect, don't take a set. My set will cause you dead.
Now, as we enter also that now, Mr. Heineken Moses coming once again.
This year sin. So all bad boy just hold your current. Bill, 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 bill.
Bounce out.
Shocking out, Silver Hawk is a soldier, I'm on the scout. Shocking out, Silver Hawk is a soldier. Shocking out, I'm a shocking out. I am a soldier, rougher than the scout. Shocking out, shocking out. My hawk is a soldier, rougher than the scout. Hawk is the champion, will kill any sound. No follow, no put down, depend on no clown. So no dress and no vest, must try test my skill. No weekend and we will, I am a star, just still. Cause I'm shocking out. Hawk is a champion, killing the snow.
Out so that. Now, Tanita. Seeing and Gary and Axel link up into main. Now, Mr. Cat, I want you to come in and watch her.
Yo, I want to look about while you talk about reversers. Post all in the sea curse. Here, man, cut the long talking and jump that bag. Steal put on the tag. Silver Hawk, watch me fly out. I'll post the skull lick out. Sound boy, show out here for this lick, can't stop the long talking. Words! I tell you, done for them and not done for you, man. Done for them and not done for you. Done for them and not done for you, man. Done for them and not done for you, man. Some of them come and brag and some of them come and them a got wrong. Some of them say that them a done gone. Some of them a say that them a done dapper done. Some of them a done carbon. Silver Hawk, him a dance up all done. Done, 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 done. People uptown I call him Grandpa Dan. People in the Barbican I say Grandpa Dan. Them cry Grandpa Dan, Grandpa Dan. Tell them Silver Hawk sound and it's a real Grandpa Dan. No lick a dibby dibby sound or no old pan. No draw up alongside the veteran. Kill a pussy now and sling him in the ocean. Chop him with that dog blaze knife head or him and make him know this are the dog hard sound upon the land. It's the Grandpa Dan. Grandpa Dan we cry. Killing pussy, we kill them for fun. Killing pussy, a whole of them a come. Killing pussy, we kill them for fun. 50 grand and a sound off a run. 50 sound where we come for show down. Some of them a run and some of them a hide and some of them days done. Tell you this a sound like it a hot sun. Anytime we come now, see nigga kin bun. Sound boy there and a pack up and run. Boy I run and a drop on him knee, I drop down. Me say, killing a sound boy, we kill them for fun. Killing sound boy, we kill them for fun. 50 grand and him days I got done, him have to run. Dan da ya, see da 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 dance on. And anytime we come a sound boy, have to run. Back up, yell up, him have to get up and run. Them have to get up, yell up and run. And when they all fly down, dong 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 dong. Wanna hear me? Wanna hear me? Wanna hear me? Done for them and I done for you, man.
Out so that. That was bracket. I hear say said come call Pecos and Laddie. Boy, the man have said already and see it cause Silver can play. The man we ain't on courtesy the one Mr. Freddie McGregor catches.
This is emergency. Can I help you?
Boy, I want to Silver just cut out the sun, boy, fell down the sun, you know. So now pass and look for the ground, is him try down, so,
You need first aid?
I want a dozen first aid, sir.
Carry them, come.
Step up, Freddie McGregor, when the Silver on fears. Come on, boy.
Oh, well, we gonna hang up another song tonight. Whoa, whoa. Watch this. All got the angle sound, boy. You got the blade.
Hey,
Don't try to test me because you need a can of first aid.
Make it one more for the cannon.
Oh, well. Hey. You're under my jurisdiction. And don't you forget it. You're under my observation. And don't you forget it. Remember, I got the angle sound, boy. And you hold the blade. Don't try to test me because you need first aid. Yeah. Oh well, you need first aid. Oh well. Say, we're in a competition.
Right.
Don't you forget it.
One more.
We're in a sound clash tonight.
To the cannon.
And don't you forget, remember, I got the angle sound, boy. You got the blade. Don't try to test me because you need first aid. Yeah. Bring the ambulance, come. Silver Hawk kill another sound tonight. Oh well, yeah. Hey, hey, hey,
hey.
My jurisdiction.
Don't you forget it. You're under my full observation. Up to your chest, boy, remember. Hawk at the angle, sound boy. Hey, don't try to test you.
Out to the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Freddie McGregor. Don't foreplay the last tune, don't forget to
I'll big up all crew. And hear me now, we say we stop dealing with respect. Cause too much guy are deal with disrespect. So you want some guy have some gun box spec, some 2 ankle spec, and 2 kick spec. I'll big up all Barbican Massive. I have some sound that talk about them a play special. And all August Town crew I want to listen to me, you know. There's no sound in the world that can test Silverhawk when it comes to special. Cause horse is horse and class is class. Now that you get back the race horse, don't I?
Now Sprocket big up.
So listen to this Jimmy Cliff special. Only play by Step Up.
Well, this is Jimmy Cliff for the champion sound Silverhawk. When we come now, sound boy and have no time. Well, they tell me of a sound up in the sky, waiting to see the hawk die.
Yeah, man.
But between the day you're born and when you die, you never live to see the hawk die. Cause as sure as the sun will shine, I'm gonna wear that crown cause it's mine. Some brother, harder you come, the harder you fall.
Again, Mr. Alexa.
Hey.
Sound them just a junkyard, them just a play hard. We kill them in the east and we kill them in the west. No, the sound just can't test.
Yeah.
Silverhawk, we put them in a distress.
Yeah. Hey.
Them just a junkyard.
Bouncer.
Them just a play hard.
Now listen to this.
Well, sound boy, well listen this. What's the meaning of life?
For real.
Life it is for living. It can bring loving.
Bouncer.
What's the meaning of life?
Now, Mr. Frankie Paul, I want to come great
hey.
with Mr. Supercat. Warm and easy, watch out. Oh, these are fighting.
107.5 with Frankie Paul and Supercat on Silverhawk, the #1 sound.
Now you look about the fierce catastrophe talking about you can move and groove with sound boy, shut your pussy. Silverhawk, stop the boy, mouth the woods and blues it. Kill the pussy and come down Frankie.
I want a sound that has quality.
Yeah. Do you hear that?
So when I'm singing, I hear melody.
Listen, pussy.
Some boy don't test my tranquility.
Kill him.
Remember, my name is Mr. FB.
Follow me now. Sound boy out the road, them nothing know where you live. Say where we drive and them don't know where we live. Man, a Silverhawk prerogative. We killing sound and we back it. Follow me now. So we kill them up a mandible and down a slide of hill. August down over Warwick Hill. In a Clarendon and Shooters Hill. Yes, say pussy hole on better right up the wheel. Silverhawk like a soldier a drill. We 16 for them back like in their Warwick Hill. As the sun boy them a light up and a right up them way.
So I feel groove, Silverhawk can move. So won't you do me right now?
Move out!
Yeah, I feel groove.
Leave me!
Silverhawk can move.
Stop pussy!
So won't you do me right now?
Man, and me wake up as some dub where wicked. Like a acid we in a liquid. And when me throw it in a pussy, man, them burn and get wicked. And when me kill them like me bad and wicked, me I go kill them in a Kingston and Warwick Hill. Kill them up a Shooters Hill and over Mandeville. Go and tell them silver action, man, him bad and wicked. It's a Silverhawk prerogative. We killing sound and we back it up. So follow me, because we kill them over here, so and over there. So me for Frankie Paul there, I'm happy sing over here, so.
It's Saturday night and dance all night and everything is right.
Out to the voice on courtesy the one Mr. Frankie Paul alongside Mr. Supercat. See? Now, you know, so we have to go up on the girl them case, because we love the girl them gone to bed and we couldn't leave them out of inch and we get pinched. Watch out. Mr. Shabba come in.
Oh man, I'm so down, sell a pom pom.
all the silver girls.
Christmas a come.
Money come first and then the walk.
Now.
Oh no. Everything I raise so. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump to. Listen, everything I raise so. Where uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump to. Bully beat. Gone up, price the house. Stepping up, rise. Gone up, bully beat. Stepping up before you let off the work. You fi devil some dollars sus. Make a man who say $10 can't buy French cut. Before you let off the work. You fi devil some dollars sus. Make a man who say $10 can't buy French cut. So, man to woman, I may know that is a must. So, woman to man, I may know that is a must. So, every man have a can come up on a woman with that face that is a dress them stand up. As a walk a back and shake, a man can. If a man can get up, then a man want the walk. Him a follow, the woman beat the club. Woman everything a race up. We uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump to. Listen, everything a raise up. We uno a do, uno na raise the price on a pump to. Bully babe, gone up, price the house. Stepping up.
Some girl a go like say them, and them go have one frack girl. Ball it out, you have X amount of that. Super. Like say them, see them go have one shoot girl. Fling out your foot, you have X amount of that. Now, I made the general say, ball it out, you no afraid of nobody. Girl, I made the gargan say, hold up your hand and neck full of jewelry. Me notice from what you from your start get trust. All of your friends, them a walk on a chat. You all of them a say, you a go like your hot. A go like you nice like you step on top. But nothing no wrong if you go like your hot. You inna you wanna shoes and you inna you wanna frock, girl. You wanna gold chain and your gold watch. You wanna own people, you no cut. Bad man, it's a go kill you all of them.
Sound clash this.
Go and go cool out. Then put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. 20 man a rev your body. Hey, that simple means that the girl a taxi. This is make 41, but me no want it. But if she give it a different Tom and Harry. From Lord, I come on in our country. As a few man drive Benz, can afford the money. When a girl have up a bench, I carry the prestige money. And that's why me want she to fling it for me. Or any young youth in the community. Enough man a Tarzan and them want a lady. So come, give me the Benz, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all Aston, Cambridge, go and go cool. Benz, put on them, make me go and drive it out. And all taxi cab just go and go cool. To drive a prestige money, you know when me a talk about. When me lick it in a gear, not even smoke to come out. Put on the ball out, and no put on the square. And put on the get about, and no put on the turn. And put on the roundabout. And one thing me know, me now go eat it in the mouth. Me use my brief knife and slice it up all about. To show them grinds, my name is a put on the scout. Give me the Benz, put on the make we go and drive it out. And all Aston, Cambridge, go and go cool. Benz, put on the make.
Reaching out to all the girls.
And all taxi cab just go and go.
That's really juggling, watch this.
Make them stop you like under 50. Make them stop you like I said 90. Make them stop you like a E20. Make them flag you down like a taxi. Too much man, rev out your body. While you open up your ears and listen to me. Any girl they around with the prestige pony. Them girl they have a certain shit of money.
Some big fat girl can't angle body. You still want right bank.
To Shabba.
Now the same girl can't take wiring. You hear she a ball like a rat baby. She wanna for the bike but she lamp on the old top. Sideways the girl catch both top. She a ball out it at both top. Pop me near the mouth and the head top both top. If you love bite back, I'll go come, I'll go come. Because they understand say you no love bite back. But if you love bite back, have the remedy for that. The remedy for bite back is the old top, good top. If you love bite back, good top. Tell them be a natural fuck. If you hit on the right, then the right side that. And you have to hit right side on the old top. If you dip on the left and a left side that. And you have to dip left side on the old top. For the silver arm girls can angle old top. Them jump up now and bend down flat. Because them at them lift up them frat. And we right around the can angle old top, good top. If you love bite back, good top. The natural fat good top. The one named Jerry killing that good top. Fatter, him a man that no fatter. Have a girl can't feel old top. Tito, grab up her body mouth. Just a better way she got good up. If you love fine good up, tell them it's a natural fuck. Don't big fat girl, yeah, angle body. He still one right from Kawasaki. Magazine girl can't take winery.
No one nobody girl be your punani, cause a silver alone want them punani key. No one nobody girl be our punani, cause a silver alone want them punani. Babylon girl, how we want your punani key uptown girl? How we want your punani key rockfoot girl? How we want your punani downtown girl? How we want your punani key we going stood up? I tell a young girl with the we going push up. I tell a young girl with the we going stood up. I tell a young girl with the she ball out, be mommy she ball. Whoa, she just a ball, be daddy she ball chant. Just take time, everybody so girl. Hush up your mouth and listen to me, cause rubbing punani is my happy girl. Me now stop a rabbit with your ball out quickly. This like a ball game without referee and it's a fling slide tackle. But a young girl body girl begin it. Push up your hand, you know wanna pussy body girl done. Shout it out, you know wanna body girl done. Still body girl done, still body girl done, still body girl done. Fatter you know pussy body, fatter you know pussy body, fatter you know pussy body girl done. Jerry in the pussy body, Jerry in the pussy body, Jerry.
Out to the scratch version. But anyway, watch how me gonna mash up the place now. I wanna listen to this. If me not mash up the place, I come out of the dance. Watch out. As winter, outside the voice on courtesy. I want Mr. Tiger. Listen to this. Reaching out to you and you and you and all the crew them boats you seen.
Still back. Simple and trusty. You son boy. You go out like you rule the Kingston. You should never reach pumping station much less you fat.
Yeah.
When him tell something, run to read him. I went flat one day it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Silver, just go and play tune them one by one.
Listen.
We don't know say rule and the girl them love and sing. I will just go and listen Tiger. Them dead no. I will them take alpha. Run alpha. Run.
Hold on, Star. Hold on, man. Star, I don't want my soul me I do.
Hey.
Well,
now, Mr. Tiger, what you have to say for the silver?
Simple and trusty. You son boy. You go out like you rule the Kingston. You should never reach pumping station much less you fat. When him tell something, run to read him. I went flat one day it's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Silver, just go and play tune them one by one car. We don't know say rule and the girl them love. I will just go and listen Tiger. Them dead no. I will them take alpha. We don't know say alpha the run dance at that. Red no. I will take alpha. We know you're the youth where them call Tiger. We don't have no dope here. We dead. We don't go dead. We don't have no girl. We dead. We can't rule the place. Red, hey, red no. I'm going to take alpha. You better listen to the way them call Tiger. Red no. I'm going to take alpha. Me want you to know I hit the girl them fella. Me go on like plan with the day go on shoes. So you hear me know what Tiger is song salute. The girl know me nice, sexy, black and cute. I want to open your face with my boot. Hey, red no. I'm going to take alpha. What if the song go and tell us? Hey, red no. You better listen Tiger. I mean you run the place we are the ram dancer. Full up a girl and full of moral. Why if you know say act mile canal? And anyway the act them get no girl. You better know before we talk say we are the general. Red no, I want to take alpha. You know the silly in the ramp rasta. Red no, Jerry are the selector. Why if you take in the youth Tiger?
Now, this one reaching out to all the man. Them time them get the pussy them don't talk. Original get to no chat. Watch this.
When the girl them get the put on don't talk, no chat man. Don't like that. Keep them out shut up, papa. You know, when the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. Pan them again.
Yeah.
When the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. And then call we original get on the chat and we must get the pump when they come back.
Sound class move.
When the girl them give the punani, don't talk, no chat man. Don't like that. Keep them out shut here, Papa. Give me love.
Now.
When the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. And them again. When the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. Where they call it original get and no chat and we must get the pum pum when we come back. Original get and no chat and we must get the pum pum when we come back. Me, I took one policeman, gal. Yeah. I'm in a darker who. Hey. Me, I took one soldier man, gal. Yeah. I'm in a darker who. What's an entertainer? Me a juke with them, gal. I'm in a darker who. Certain producer. Me a juke with them, gal. I'm in a darker who. Jump here. Original get and no chat and me must get the pum pum when me come back. Original get and no chat and me must get the pum pum when me come back. All of them and them we get and no chat. Hold up your one and you feel like two shots. All of them and them we get and no chat. Hold up your one and you feel like two shots. Youngest man them get and no chat. August town man them get and no chat. Papin man them get and no chat. Tivoli man them get and no chat. Original get and no chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Original get and no chat and we must get the. You know why? Because I'm not the type of man who sex a girl and chat. No. Oh no. Original get and no chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Original get and no chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Yeah. A girl give me from Greg Report. Yeah. And I know Captain Barkin not talk. Hey. A girl give me from when they talk. And I know Captain Barkin not talk. A girl give me from Dasha Park. And I know Captain Barkin not talk. A girl give me from Bushy Park. And I know Captain Barkin not to me that. Original get and no chat and we must get the pump when we come back. Original get and no chat and we must get the pum pum. Yeah, you know, me ball. When the girl them give you the punani, don't tell nobody. And them again.
Have mercy, have mercy. I got a penny arena the party. Silver out from the country. Right. What do you know? Some girl take me a walk and them not get nothing. None them not get nothing. And I breathe for the man and them not get nothing. None them not get nothing. I wash me a dirty clothes and I get nothing. Hey, none them not get nothing. Oh man, show me something where you good will give you, boy. Girl, where you good will give you. Girl, show me something where you good will give you, boy. Girl, where you good will give you. Chain run your neck, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the ring for your finger, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the bag for your hand, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. Give you in your house, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you. And the fridge in your house, and you good will give you, boy. Girl, you good will give you, girl. And the old kind of man, I mind you just jump around, kind of man cry for you, girl. And the old to not get so walk on. Ball it to the man a bowl, you see duck, girl. And the old kind of man treat you good, you just ball it to the man not treat you bad, girl. And the old to one no alley button. Body can girl them a no alley button. Augustone girl them a no alley button, girl. And the girls get some out them and you just jump around and show you dive on. Girl I take me a walk and them not get nothing. Nothing them not get nothing. And I breathe for the man and them not get nothing.
So that now promoter you answer link up on the music room into me, see? That's a promoter you answer link up.
I don't want to get dark. That's why I want to come challenge Silver. I can't spark. Anyway, we alone play dance cock, man. You see, look at Tin Panty one of this. I'm not going to work this year, man. They're telling her, ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Hear this, people. Listen, Silver. Hey. Good morning, son. Well, long time Silver a creature. Alright then. Student come to school, we learn from their teacher. Jilly boom day.
My God, Mr. Money J. Reaching out to you and you. Hey. Watch this.
When I hear me, man, someone want to get dark. That's one want to come challenge Silver. I can't spark. Anyway, we alone play dance cock, man. Yeah. You see, look at Tin Panty one of this. I'm not going to work this year, man. They're telling her. Ayaga yaga yeah.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yo. Ayaga yaga yeah.
Now.
Ayaga yaga yo. Hear this, people. Listen, Silver. Hey. Good morning, son. Well, long time Silver Hawk reach ya. Alright then. Student come to school, we learn from their teacher. Jilly boom day. Well, if I learn not take it, but in a corner. Come on then. Let them know Silver Hawk sound it at the roller. Jilly boom then say, good morning, son. Well, long time we reach ya. Alright then. Student come to school, we learn from the teacher. Jilly boom then. Ayaga yaga yeah. Ayaga yaga yo. Kill a little boom boom them. Kill a little jump on them. Attack them. Silver attack them. Come on. So what? Attack them. Silver attack them. Hey. Kill a little jump on them. Come on.
Boy, I don't want to mess with them feeling away, but right now I can't find a tune them. Gonna like no there, so. Promoter, I ask you for link up, see?
Silver can do it, tell it to your half pint, I said. The Silver Hawk to play and you bring us joy. First the Hawk and second the boy. Don't Silver Hawk play, don't take it for the toy. Cause sooner or later we gonna kill a sound boy. Run well, make Silver Hawk play. Oh, run well, make Silver Hawk.
Again, Mr. Half Pint. Hey! The man's waiting to one again on courtesy of the voice, one Mr. Half Pint. Saying, reaching out to all the crew, watch out.
Hey, people, a long time I want to tell you a piece of my mind, you know. If them come out, they have to come over here good music and good grooving, you know what I mean? Yeah. I can do it, tell it to your half pint, I said. The Silver Hawk to play and you bring us joy. First the Hawk and second the boy. The dumb Silver Hawk play, don't take it for the toy.